Open-ear earbuds are evolving fast, and now they're not just about comfort anymore. The new Suunto Spark brings features like head movement control, real-time training insights, and a lightweight design built for all-day wear. But Shokz OpenFit Pro is still one of the most popular open-ear options out there. So the real question is Suunto actually better, or is Shokz still ahead? Design, build, and comfort. Both earbuds follow a similar open-ear concept, but the experience feels slightly different. Suunto Spark focuses more on lightweight comfort. It uses a mix of silicone and metal materials, and each earbud feels extremely light on the ear. The fit is secure and clearly designed for movement like running or workouts. Shokz OpenFit Pro also uses an ear hook design, but it feels a bit more structured and slightly bulkier in comparison. The build quality is solid and premium, and the stability is improved compared to older models, especially during movement. Both are great for comfort, but Suunto feels lighter and more natural for longer sessions, while Shokz feels a bit more secure and firm. Sound experience. Sound is one of the key differences. Shokz OpenFit Pro is more focused on delivering a richer audio experience for an open-ear design. It has stronger bass and overall fuller sound compared to most open earbuds. Suunto Spark keeps things more balanced and natural. The focus here is not just music, but awareness. You still hear your surroundings clearly while listening, which makes it more practical for outdoor use. So if you want better sound performance, Shokz has the edge. If you want a more natural and safer listening experience, Suunto is better. Battery life. Battery performance is strong on both, but there's a small difference in usage style. Suunto Spark gives you up to around 36 hours with the charging case, making it great for long training sessions and daily use without frequent charging. Shokz OpenFit Pro also offers solid battery life, enough for full-day use, and even includes fast charging support, giving you quick playback with short charging time. Overall, both are reliable, but Suunto feels more focused on longer continuous usage, while Shokz adds convenience with faster top-ups. Connectivity. Suunto Spark comes with newer Bluetooth technology, stable connection, and smooth dual device support, making it easy to switch between devices. Shokz OpenFit Pro also supports dual connection and works reliably, but overall it feels slightly less modern compared to what Suunto is offering now. So both are good, but Suunto has a slight edge in newer connectivity. Features comparison and what's new. This is where Suunto Spark really stands out. It's not just an audio device, it's designed more like a training companion. You get features like head movement control, where you can control music or calls without touching the earbuds. It also introduces real-time movement tracking and insights, which help monitor things like running form and activity patterns. These are features you simply don't get in most earbuds. Shokz OpenFit Pro focuses more on improving core experience. It brings better sound quality, improved fit stability, and even a form of open-ear noise reduction, which tries to reduce surrounding noise slightly in one, though it's not as strong as traditional ANC. So the difference is clear. Suunto adds smart fitness features. Shokz improves audio and stability. Price comparison. Both are priced in a similar range, around $249, so there's no major difference here. This means your decision comes down purely to features and usage, not budget. Final verdict. So which one should you buy? If you want something lightweight, modern, and packed with smart features for workouts and outdoor use, then Suunto Spark is the better choice. But if your priority is better sound quality, stronger audio performance, and a more refined open-ear listening experience, then Shokz OpenFit Pro is still a very solid option. So it really depends on what matters more to you. Suunto is built for smart training. Shokz is built for better sound. If you enjoy simple and honest comparisons like this, make sure to subscribe to Smartwatch Radar, and I'll see you in the next video.